Welcome to the Obby. But you're a bird! Why do I look like Perry the Platypus Song God? Oh, there you are, Perry. Yes. Epic fail. Is there anything around here? Nothing. Nothing at all. There's nothing at all. Ah, button. Button. There is a button. Oh, you go. Oh, there you go here. Where on earth is the? Oh, not epic fail. Get up. Get up. Get up. Get up. Get up. Yeah, we got up. Come on, we need to get up. Get up. Get up. I really wonder where I go. It's not like there's a sign! I could have never expected that. Go. Up. 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 Oh, I thought that was gonna be an epic fail for a second. Shortcut? There's nothing. Get up. I need to get up. What stage am I at? Still at stage 1? This is still the... Oh, this is nest 1. Never mind. Where do I... Bro, where do I go? Oh. I go there. I actually go there. I actually have to go there. That was an epic fail. Get up. We are killing this! We're doing really good. What does this do? I've been lied to. This ain't a button. This is a mushroom. I thought big red square automatically equals button, but no. I've been lied to. My home!
Let the platypus walk. Let the platypus walk.
Yeah, where do I go? Okay. Who was the one to explode my house? Who set up the TNT? Who set up the TNT? Who did it? Who did it? Who did it, buddy? Who did it? Up, up, up. Tunnel. We're in a tunnel. No, I'm just eating an ice cream sandwich.
Wow!
This ain't a button, as I've said, I've been lied to. Ooh, that was an almost epic fail. Do I see someone else? I see someone else. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We're at nest 2 now. Okay. Okay, birdies. Let's go. Let's go. Up, 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 up. Oh, that was almost an epic fail. I go here. Yes. Yes. How have I not failed yet? Have I not? Oh, let's go! What's that say? No birds past this point. Go around through the cave. Oh, they really do not want you to go there. Like, bruh. That's discrimination. Why specifically no birds? Get troll-a-lol-a-lol. Alright. Alright. Let's see. Let's get up. Let's get up. 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 Oh, those kill you! No. And we spawn all the way down here? Ah! I knew you had to avoid it. Are those just the skulk sensors? They just look like the skulk sensors, bruh. But I have to do all of that again. Why do I have to do all of that again? Oh, we made it. We made it. Ew, I'm gray. Exactly. That's what I was gonna say. That's racist. Like, actually, I'm yellow. What are you, gray or yellow? Please decide. Come on, uppity. We need to get back to where we... Yes, we made it. Can we, yes. Up the ladder, get up the ladder, get up. Where do we go now? We go here. Where do we go, bro? I guess I'm stuck here now. I think this is where we go. Is this where we go? Yes, it is. I think. Is it where we go? I am... This is a previous level. This is actually, legitimately, an old level. I made it all the way back! Oh dang, you actually died really slow. Bye! Oh wait, I just realized I have to do all of this for a third time now. What on earth is going on, bro? And now I'm red? I'm red now? I liked the Perry the Platypus look. The Perry the Platypus fit. No, I can't do the platypus walk. Come on. Up. Actually, we're going down. Oh, no. Yes, we done did it. That was tragic, bro. That was tragic. See a green guy. See someone that's green. Don't you? Oh, can actually go up. Caution, spikes. Ooh, scary. No. I was setting up for a funny joke, and then I just like, I don't know. Come on. Get up. We need to actually get up. Legitimately get up. Legitimately, we need to get up. Yes, I see green guy. Come on, green guy. Come with me. Green guy. What? Come on, green platypus. Please, come with me. Green platypus, come with me, and you'll see the epic treasure. You'll find Phineas and Ferb, green platypus. Yeah. Come on, green platypus. You'll be able to find Phineas. I'm sure he'll take good care of you. Maybe. I don't know how Phineas acts. How he actually treats his pet platypus. Well, they don't do much. So... Okay, I'm overthinking this. I'm overthinking the lore of Phineas and Ferb. Okay, come on, green platypus. No! Green platypus! Come on! No! He's gone. Can we all get an F in the chat for the green platypus? It was a real one. True, real one. Racist. Stop taking my color. Oh, yeah, Bert, let me just... There you go. Hey, you stole my color. Oh, you go up here! Now I'm in nest 3. Ah, you weren't supposed to go down there. That explains basically everything. Go this way. I think I should go this way. Come on. 360 no scope. That was terrible. That was actually terrible. That was actually a failure. I haven't really seen any others except for that green platypus. He was indeed a real one. I just love the conversation in the chat. actually dissociated with my race. They're really having a whole entire conversation in the chat about racism. I'm gonna turn off the chat. I don't, actually no, I'm gonna turn it back on. I wanna see the drama. Nest 4, let's go. Oh. Okay, let's see. Brody, Broseph, Broski, Bozimboni. Is this what you do? Yes. Oh, Mario pipe. Boom, boom, boom. Yesn't. This guy randomly comes into the conversation and just says, yesn't. Real. That's what I would say if anybody would just said randomly, yesn't. Boing, boink, boink, boink. Yay, my home. Anyway, bye. Bye, pond. What do I... Boink, boink, boink. Yay! Now what do I do? Go this way. You're supposed to... I just went backwards. And now that's just tragic. Oh, you go over here. Maybe. Do you go over here? I want to know. I think you go over here. Yeah, you do. We're about to enter nest 5. How many nests are there? It appears... I don't know. There is an unknown amount of nests. Come on. Come on, broski. Come on, broski. Come on, broski. I just realized that we went the wrong way, broski. I think. Where do we go, bro? Like, where do we go? This is actually the most confusing thing I've ever done. Where do you go, bro? It's not here, because I think that's actually the way we went. So it's clear we have to go through the pipe. What do we do now? Do we go here, actually? Do we legitimately have to go through here? Come on, Tony Zamboni. We need to do this. We need to win. That area might actually be the way to go. And I wasn't just like, what line? Let's see. Do we go there? No. Do we go here? What do we do? Like, this might actually be the most confusing part of the obby. Cause like, I legitimately do not know. The arrows point to that way. Leap of faith. I don't think that was the correct way. I think we may have legitimately stuck. We're legitimately stuck. And I do not know what to do. We're legitimately, as I've said a million times now, stuck. What do we do? There's something there, but I think that might be related to the previous level. Let's just test it out. Let's test. What is that? This statue is dedicated to the birds who rage quit. Oh, so it's designed to be confusing. I see. What do I do? it's no, it's not here. The Obby is not here. I may have to end the recording because this legitimately confused me. Or unless someone points out the actual way. Oh wait, I'm yellow now, just like the lemon. Legitimately, what do I do? Clearly it's something related to the pipe. So clearly you have to go over here. That conversation about racism in the chat is still going. Get up, get up. Yes, let's go. Come on. I just saw that bro fall. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Have I found the way? Have I actually found the way? I don't know. Have I found the way? I fell. Eiffel Tower. The Eiffel Tower is in France, but did we just find the way? No, let me up first. Oh, wait. I think we found the way. Yes, let's go, finally. Try. Let's go. We're in Nest 5. Spinning clouds. Oh! Get up. We're in houses again. Let's hope I'm not confused here like last time. Which I aren't. I am not confused. Let's legitimately go. Get up. 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 Get bruh. Birdie. Broskiff. Brosi. Brosifer. Bro ha ha ha. I can't even. King Duck's slime. Please be respectful. Okay, I will be respectful to the statue. And wait a minute. Let me shoot the same again. Oh, shrine, not slime. Okay. King Duck's party. Located at 100 meters. Oh, so the goal of the game is that you have to go to his party. I legitimately see. I keep saying the word legitimately a lot. What am I doing? Spinning clouds, let me up. Come on, we can do this. Another pipe. Oh well, the pipes appear to be common reference in just games in general. Okay. I should probably. How did I not just realize them now? I love this game even more. And I think I might have gone the wrong way. Get up. Get up. Get up. Get up. Can we like, we have to go back here. Get up. No! That is not what I wanted to do. That is actually not what bro, let me just go back to where I was before. And that sound too is just oh, I'm on pink. Shabba dee dabba hi. No. Oh no, Buster. Oh no, Buster. So what do I do now? Obviously something related to the pipe, yes. But what specifically is something related to the pipe? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Heated bird bath. I'm not gonna go in there. I don't trust that. Yes, nest 7. This section is like really long. Good luck. I don't like. Ooh. Have I reached the edge? Or do I have? I'm just gonna take a leap of faith. Ah! Oh, we made it. It's a picnic. Come on, we must be close to the king's party. Long jump. Oh no. Ah! 100 points. 50 points? Nah, we did not get 0 points. Ha ha. Ha ha. Get trolled. No, 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 no. Let me up. Let me up. Oh no, Buster. We're doing really good again. Come on, up. Let me up. How long is this audio, by the way? Come on. 59. The little thingies, spikes, they already have killed me, so. Yes! Ooh, ooh, ooh. No, no! It's tragic. Finally, a human, a human. Come on, green platypus. Now you're a pink one. Come on, pink platypus. Get up. You can get up. Actually, follow me. Follow me. Angelica, follow me. Yes, we both made it. We be teaming. We be teaming. That shouldn't be a thing that I should brag about, but. Oh, boink. Get up. Come on. Come on. Come on. You can do this. You're actually doing really good. Wow. Huh. Get down. Get down, bruh. Get down, bruh. Get up. And now I'm back up to my thing, my personal best, and Angelica here is doing her best. Come on. We need to. You need to go. I know, dead meme. Now, this is the part that might kill ya. At least we both made it. Yes. Get up. Yes. Get on the cloud. Get on the torch. We're both now at our best. Never made it. Come on. Come on, Angelica. You can. We can win this. Come on. Come on. It's one of these games. What do we do? How did you live? How did you live? Honest to God. Get trolled. Okay, get up. We're only 20 meters away from the king's party. 8! Yes, and now with this guy. What the? no, 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 don't. Okay. Thought it fell. I instead, well, it kind of fell. Great, I'm blue, dabba doo dabba die. No, bro's the classic white. Bro's actually a goose. Let's go! We made it! No, come on, Cloud. Don't fail me now. Great, now I'm on my own again. I like how this one's just called... Oh, it's arrows. I thought it was just called... Bro, we made it. We actually made it. We successfully... Oh, bruh, you go here. Of course. Bruh, what is going on here? Am I missing part of the puzzle? Cause like I can't get up. I might actually just be missing part of the puzzle. Yo, bro's making it. Bro is making it. Come on, bro is legitimately making it. Get on the cloud. Because apparently that's supposed to be a cloud. Yes, you made it! Yes? Yes? Woo! Okay. What's your name? Oh, you're Angelica, that previous person. Okay. You must understand. Okay, got it. Now, this is the part I was just about to say. It's very frustrating. Then I completed it. Come on. Come on, bro. You can do it. Bye. We're almost to the king's party. Let's go! I hope they have birthday cards at the king's party. How do I do this? How do I legitimately do this? Oh. No! Okay. Says you have to go this way. Oh, you have to do that. Obviously. Come on. I think you have to do the cloud. No. Ooh. That was almost tragic. We're almost to the top. What do we... Okay, that was very close. King Duck's party up ahead. Let's go. There's still stuff after the king's party? How big is Bro's kingdom? Come on. No. That's fair. No. That's tragic. And it's also a really long death, so... What? I'm just gonna reset. I am now back to... You spawn all the way over here? I just did... Bro! The king's party was up ahead! King How? How? How, bro? How, bro? Legitimately, how, bro? I'm not stopping this recording until I get to the king's party. No! I died there twice now. Come on. You can do this. You can legitimately do this. You can beat this level. Bro, a third time now. How? How did I make it past the one time? How? Just like, I don't know what I'm doing. Let's go. You have to go over here. But let's go. We made it back to the beginning. Made it back to here. Also, come on. We need to go. We need to be up here. And only up here. King Duck's party's up ahead. Let's go. I wish there was a nest here so that I wouldn't die. Now here's the part where I died last time. Let's go. 96. We're almost there. We're almost at his party. I hear it. Get up. Bro, I missed the drop. Epic dance party. That's gonna be the end of this recording. We're gonna be doing part 2 next time. As you can see, the king's crown is missing. Bro, like, we should keep that better.